Alright, Hurricane Francine is a Category 1 hurricane right now, but at 2 p.m. it's predicted to be a Category 2 hurricane with 100 miles per hour wind speed and 120 miles per hour wind gust. And this is heading right for Louisiana. Not much to tell you really, but it's still on the same track as it's always been, and pretty much heading towards Morgan City and Franklin, and then on to Baton Rouge. So better watch out in that area. So yeah, it's a Category 2 hurricane now. You said it was only going to be a Category 1. Now it's a Category 2 hurricane. As for the other two systems in the Atlantic, I'm waiting for the 8 a.m. update on those. So as soon as I get that, I'll make that video and I'll post that here. Alright. Please make sure you're subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.